Whoa. Good thing that was just a dream.
Keko,
Whitey,
what dream did you have?
It was so unrealistic. Everything was glitching again. Finn's gone!
You're right.
Why?
He must just be an early bird. It was just like what happened in the...
Rumors. Are you okay? She doesn't look like she got much sleep at all.
Come to think of it, I did hear her muttering about some building when I was trying to get back to sleep hours ago.